Okay, hello and assalamualaikum. So for today we are doing our first slides project, and my name is Wana Shakina binti Iwan Abdul Raza, and my matrix number is 180661.
My name is Chong Chiu-Ni with matric card number 179106.
My name is Intan Ain binti Salwan. My matric number is 179072.
My name is Naruni, anak perempuan Alvin. My matric number is 178977.
My name is Nur Zulaika binti Norizal, matric number 179013.
Okay, so as I said earlier, we are going to discuss about how to manipulate small volumes and the laboratory buffers. So as far that I know, that the doctor has told us there are three types of micropipettes. This micropipette is used to measure various volumes. It is measured a small quantity of volumes. So since there are three, there are differentiate between colors. The first one is white color micropipette, and the color of the tips is clear, and it is ranging from 0.5 microliter to 10 microliter. And the second one is the yellow and in color, and the color of tips is also yellow, and it is ranging from 10 microliter to 100 microliter, or it can range from 20 microliter to 200 microliter. And the last one is the blue in color micropipette, where the tips is also in blue, and it's ranging from 100 microliter to 1000 microliter. And I think Chuni knows how to use the micropipette.
Maybe I'll further introduce what a micropipette is.
Okay.
So micropipette is also called by different type of names, most which are based on the companies which manufacture these micropipettes. For example, you might hear them called Dilutions, as a large number of these devices are used in the laboratories are made by this company. Regardless of the manufacturer, micropipettes operate on the same principle as a plunger. A plunger is depressed by the thumb, and as it is released, the liquid is actually drawn into the disposal plastic tip. When the plunger is pressed again, the liquid is actually dispensed. The tips are an important part of the micropipettes and allows the same device to be used for different samples. Without actually washing the whole micropipette, you only need to change the tip. They come in a number of different of sizes and colors, just like what Kina had said. And the most, I would like to emphasize on the most commonly used are the blue one, which what Kina said also is 200 to 1000 microliter. Yellow one would be 2 to 200 microliter, and the white one would be less than 2 microliter. These tips are actually loaded in tip boxes, which are often sterilized to prevent any contamination. For this reason, the tip boxes should be kept closed if they are not in use, just in case there's like bacteria or microorganisms inside. Tips are loaded onto the end of the micropipette by pushing the end of the device into the tip and giving two sharp taps, meaning like you can hear pop, pop. And then once it's used, the tips are injected into the sharp disposal bin by using the tip eject button. So if you throw, just press on the eject button. And one more thing, never ever to touch the tip with your fingers to prevent any contamination. That's all.
Okay. I would like to talk about how to draw out liquid from micropipette. So to remove the last drop of liquid from the tip, push down the plunger to the plastic. So if you reveal into a liquid, remove the tip from the liquid before releasing the plunger. For the micropipette, put the pump and spring on the plunger and the fingers spread around the upper body. Keeping the plunger at the position, place the tip attached to the end of the micropipette beneath the surface of the liquid to be drawn up. Try not to push right to the bottom, especially if you are removing supernatant from a centrifuge pallet. But ensure that the tip is far enough below the surface of the liquid that no air is drawn up. After that, steadily release pressure on the plunger and allow to return to the original position. Do this very carefully because it particularly with large volume as the liquid may shoot up into the tip and the body of the micropipette. If bubbles appear in the tip, return the liquid to the container by pushing down to the position and you may start again.
Okay, I will explain about how to dispense liquid. Okay, hold the micropipette so that the end of the tip containing tip is inside the vessel you want to deliver it to. When delivering smaller volumes into another liquid, you may need to put the end of the tip beneath the surface of the liquid. Remember to change the tip afterward if you do this to save contaminating stock. For smaller volumes, you may also need to hold the tip against the side of the container. Okay. Push the plunger down to if you wish to mix two liquids together or resuspend a centrifuge pellet release to original position and push to another position a few times to draw up and expand the mixed liquids. To remove the last drop of liquid from the tip, push down to another position. If delivering into a liquid, remove the tip from the liquid before releasing the plunger. Release the plunger and allow it to return to the original position.
Okay, so now we're moving on to how to change the volume. Okay, for your information, some micropipettes deliver fixed volumes. However, the majority are adjustable. Each brand uses a slightly different method to do this. For example, Dilutions have an adjustable wheel, while the others have a locking mechanism and turning the plunger adjusts the volume. All have a readout which tells you how much is being delivered and a range of volumes which can be dispensed. Trying to dispense less than the lower volume of the range will result in inaccurate measurements. Trying to dispense over the upper range will completely fill the tip and allow liquid to enter the body of the pipette. Do not overrun the volume adjustment as this affects the calibration of the micropipette. Okay, the way to interpret the readout depends on the micropipette used. Okay, firstly, in a 200 to 1000 microliter micropipette, also known as the Dilution micropipette, the first rack digit is thousands of microliter. It should never go past 1. The middle digit is hundreds, while the third is tens. Therefore, 1000 microliter would read as 100, while 350 microliter would read as 035. Next is the Dilution P2000, which is the range from 220 until 200 microliter micropipettes. The first digit is hundreds of microliter. It should never go past 2. The second is tens, and the third is units. Therefore, 200 microliter would read as 200, while 95 microliter would read as 095. The third one is the Dilution P2000, which ranges from 2 until 20 microliter. The first digit is tens of microliter. It should never go past 2. The second is units, and the third right digit is tens. Therefore, 20 microliter would read as 200, while 2.5 microliter would read as 0 to 5. Okay, the final one, in Dilution P2, in a 0.2 until 2 microliter micropipettes, the first digit is units of microliter. It should never go past 2. The second right digit is tens, and the third right digit is hundreds. Therefore, 2 microliter would read as 200, while 0.5 microliter would read as 050. That's it for changing volume.
Okay, I think that is all from us. Do you want to add anything? I think that is all from us. Thank you very much.
Thank you.